How's it, viewers? Today I want to talk to you about the Haval H6 electrically folding mirrors slash rear view mirrors as a whole. I'm going to explain the mirrors, what they do, and the nitty-gritties about them. So sit back, enjoy, let's get going.
Okay guys, we are back in the car. What I want to show you now is all about the rear view mirrors. Okay guys, remember the rear view mirrors are quite an intricate system. It's a electric mirror which is electrically folded. It's heated. It has blind spot detection in it. It has a camera in it. It has a indicator in it, as well as a light at the bottom. Okay, that's one thing to remember. So look after them. The best way to protect them is to look after them. You certainly don't want to bump it against a pillar or something and then need to replace it. Okay, first off, I want to show you when you are pressing. I see that you can see this button. This button is the demister at the back. The other one, let me just tilt the camera a bit. This one is the defogging one for the front window. Okay, this one is the demister. Okay, it's for the rear window, but this will also activate the heated rear view mirrors. So they will become heated, and when it rains, this one helps a lot. Remember that this is also for the rear view mirrors. Alrighty. Now, let's go in here. When you lock the car, the mirrors will retract. You can switch that on and off separately. You go into vehicle settings. Go all the way down. In vehicle settings, you need to remember there's items beyond this one. Go down to comfort. Rear view mirror auto fold. Auto. Manual. When manual, show you how to do that in manual. If you put it in manual, they will not retract with vehicle locking. When in auto, they will retract when you lock the vehicle. Because we are speaking about the locking, I want to show you something else as well. There's different settings with the locking mechanism as well. When you unlock the vehicle with a key, as well as on the door, when you touch the door once or press the unlock button once, you can select that it only opens the driver door, and then on another touch unlocks the whole car. Driver door will only do the driver door first, then you need to tap it again for all the doors. Okay, that one you can select. I leave it on 4-door unlocking. Speed lock is, do you want the car to lock itself when you drive off? First of all, you can switch that one off, or you can put it on lock at 8 km per hour or lock at 15 km per hour. I leave mine at the slowish speed. I want mine to lock as soon as possible. Ignition off and unlock. That's another important one. When you come to a stop and you switch the car off, the doors will unlock. You can leave that off. You can turn that off if you don't want that. Sometimes it's safer to leave that off. The door will unlock in any way when you pull on the door handle. Okay, that's that. Okay guys, underneath the mirror there's a light, a LED light. You cannot switch that off. That will stay on. When you unlock the vehicle, that light will go on. They call it a puddle light. Most guys call it a puddle light. It's just to help you that you don't step into mud or something before getting into your vehicle. That is something that will stay on. Then within your mirror, there's the blind spot detection that you can turn off. I think it's under intelligent driving, side assist system, blind spot monitoring, that you can turn off. That is the orange light that flashes within the mirror, in the surface of the mirror itself, when there's a car next to you, that you can switch off. And remember, I've indicated to you that you need to switch this off when towing a trailer or caravan, because the system will assume that you are going to crash into yourself when towing a vehicle. So that's something to keep in mind. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to fold the mirrors manually. Now, this is your control for the mirrors. This one will lock the rear windows. This one will lock the doors, lock and unlock. This one will select the right side mirror if you look into the mirror, and this will allow you to adjust it. Okay, this will select the left side mirror and will allow you to adjust. Now you'll see here, there's a picture here that indicates if you select both, it will fold the mirrors. Now you can have a look at the mirror there. When I press both together, they will unlock the mirror. And there's the blind spot indication that I spoke about. So press both together, that is manual mode. Retract your mirrors manually. You can do that manually even when the system is in auto as well, but it won't do that automatically when it's off. So you'll have to do that each and every time you need to retract your mirrors manually. You'll have to do that. Alright. Okay viewers, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Guys, if you like my content, consider like, comment and subscribing. There's nothing to lose. We really appreciate that. And one more thing. If you have noticed this HEV logo on my fenders, there's nothing wrong with your vehicle if it doesn't have that. My vehicle is the only one with that. Reason being is when I purchased this car, I also purchased 2 additional logos for the 2 fenders, because I just like the way it looks. I wanted to point out that it's a hybrid, so I've added those 2 logos. Plus I like the blue background of it. I've also added these blue details here. It's just to make my vehicle different. Okay guys, that's it. Have a good one. Take care, stay safe. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.